So we're down here at the shop. Yes, we are. And we're going to start on another project. It's getting kind of warm weather soon. And just trying to get what we can done on it. The Crumblebee. Hopefully, by summer is what we're shooting for. Hopefully we get it done before then. I like to see it in primer by the end of next month. I don't know if that's going to happen. Lots going on here, you can tell, with the shop and stuff. But this needs to get done. And I like to see it, you know, driving down the highway soon. So we're going to finish the car, and you can see it has some Bondo work before, but oh, it's cracking out. I'll show you. We get them on the stand and stuff. We're actually doing it outside under the light, and we don't want to do Lowback's full of garbage right now, just what we were modeling. We don't want to do it here because the heating units, you know, will just suck all this stuff up. So we're going to do it outside here. You know, while I'm working on the shop, I'll try to get some of this done. You know, just move things along. So today goal is to cut the lower patches out, check out everything it needs, if it needs a patch anywhere other than the lower portion, cut them out, and the next video will be us patching them. Well, now that it's on the stand, let's take a look at this. This is the original fender, by the way, and this car has had work done to it once upon a time. You can see the Bondo here just chipping out. You know, probably an old patch. But we can cut this probably right through here. We check the back side, see what the rust is. That's pretty solid over in here. Look like it's got a little patch we need to repair here. Or is that how it's made? Okay, that's how it's made. But we do need to trim this rust off on this double panel here so it don't carry over. Now this here needs cut out, all this big portion here. So we need to keep it under the body line, trim it through here and down and out. Then we will make a template. We will bend this and put us a patch in. So we're gonna, you know, sand all this down, grind it down. Check up here, the bubbles needs patched. Anywhere else, any big major dents we need to fix. Looks fine. Got a dent here, right here, just a little, and that's what nose piece used to fit on. That actually might be factory. Let me check it. That one's got a dent. So the nose piece comes up here and rides this. So this is not factory. This is actually a dent. So we need to fix this. Can we get behind it? Get a little bit behind it. So that should come out. And that valance will fit right through here. Right through here. We'll look at right there, kicks out. Is that factory? Having two fenders to compare to, it's a good thing. Yep. Okay, that's normal. Whoops. Stepped on some plastic. Need to finish cleaning up. And it's not like we ain't been cleaning up. Remember, the low back. It's full. So, it looks pretty good. It's going to need a bigger patch than we thought. Because once you get into anything, you've seen videos, my videos before. So, we're going to have to patch all the way over here. Cut this rust out. Grind this and treat it best we can. You know, that should grind down pretty good. Take a wire brush, clean this up. This all have to be cut out. And then we have to build a big patch for this fender. I kept the old piece here for this. We can just cut out a new piece of metal to the same shape once we get this cleaned up, dressed, and primed. But yeah, this is very common on these old Camaros, which I knew these fenders needed lower patch. Fender number 2. Let's take a look on the inside. It's not as bad, but you can feel it's rusty right through here. This feels good. Solid. This is not. This needs cut. And that's on that brace, of course. You can tell. Right here, we're gonna do some trimming on this, on that double pane. You can trim that, but yeah, we'll cut this right through here, like we did the last one. I don't think we have to carry on up, thankfully. Any more holes? Last places we might need to fix. So I'll give you a shop update in just a minute. Come check out the fender. So, we're using that as a prop down here. You know, the second stand. But anyway, it's about the same. We had some rust here. Gonna cut it out better, and then all it's got to be trimmed. That's that piece we see on the side, that double piece that needs trimmed off. Then this has got to get a patch, and then all this rust is now gone. It's easy to build this patch too. I actually got the old piece. This is the old piece of it. Cut out, be easy to build a template to match. You know, we just boom, and then weld it in. But before we do that, we got to address this. It's got to be all wire brushed, cleaned up, rust converted, and some etch primer, some good primer put on the inside of this, because you don't want water getting behind on and causing more damage, because that's what does this, water. But that's very common on older cars. Let me try to get by here. Now I'm going to set this inside so I don't lose it. See, the other fender, it ain't bad. You know, we built rust on the channel. 1 out of 10, that patch job is going to be maybe a 3. It ain't super bad, especially when you done got most of your templates. Okay, shop update time, because I know a lot of you want to know what's going on with the shop and everything. So let's just stretch this video out a little bit more. If you stayed, thank you. If you're getting ready to log off, you know, thank you for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment. Check the eBay store out in the description below. It helps a little extra support to me. Like and comments just enough. Don't buy anything you don't need. So the shop update, you can see we've been patching all the termite damage and rot that was in this building. It held moisture on this side. We need gutters extremely bad, so years and decades of moisture just got to us, mostly rot. But we got new floors down. We've been plumbing hot and cold water. This little thing, I don't know if he's any good or not, but it's mounted. We got this hot and cold. These is so you can clean it. You know, we got a pre-filter. It's city water, so you never know what you're gonna get. Double fuse boxes, factory one and the added one. Very fun to set up. I didn't know what I was doing, so electrician knew what he was doing. Take a look in here. You know, this is the shop. That's the shop commode. It's not what it needs to be because we are still plumbing everything. You know, we got the door here now. We didn't have a door. It was just a walk-in room here. Our kitchen sink, hit plumbed, and we tested it, and it works. Can you believe that? No leaks so far from now. The little unit is leaking around the Teflon tape, the hot water heater thingy, so we got to address that. Bathroom, looking like a bathroom again. We did a lot of the plumbing. Oh, the PEX pipe. Oh, hold on. Oh, we got a fan too. Do you see that? Them two little clips right there? Those 3D printed. Don't 3D print some more of them. 3D printer handy to have around. You never know till you got one, and then you can 3D print about anything you need. You see me using it a lot in my videos. Anyway, behind me is a new Alot. They're very bright. That one light lights up this. I would recommend them. I do use them a lot on my YouTube videos and stuff. Let me close this door. Got a door here too. Moisture damage right here. Take a look. Have to replace all that. This is an add-on. This is all new, all good, but this is from like when they first built the building, and it's nothing but a swamp out back because there ain't no gutters, and moisture just got it over the time. Just be old pump building. So they built an add-on, and I guess they took the wall down and tried to build into the pump building. It didn't work out. It didn't work out when it was done. Sure ain't gonna work out now. I need to turn that light off. Need to dismantle this. This is what's left over of the dollhouse that was built in the corner. Blockmaster, the hone. We got these tables just lightly setting on this. Don't know what we're gonna do with them. Lots of stuff, motors and stuff. We gotta organize. Gotta start moving things around in here to make more room. Anyway, when you remodeling, you know, you run out of room fast because stuff gotta go somewhere till you get done. And that somewhere has been here in the rollbacks. You know, it's just a ton of debris and stuff. We gotta have that hauled off. And everything is lit up good. Kentucky Power did a great job with a pole light and hooking us up to power. They had to, you know, connect it to the pole and stuff. You know, they did good. The people that came out, A+. Put projector halos in the Mercedes. You probably ain't seen that. My nose is running, ain't it? Or was it? That was a booger. How long that's been now? Who knows? Comment below. I know somebody's probably counted the seconds. These headlights, one was brand new, one was not. They weren't super brand new, but they new to me. One was newer than the other one, so one was faded, extremely bad, and the other one was faded, not so bad. Does that make sense? But let's go ahead and turn them on. Well, that's park lights. That ain't gonna do us no good. We want to see the projectors. So the projector lights, you know how they do. They project on the things kind of with a cutoff. They look extremely good. Now, this is a 2000 model. These lights is for like an 03 and up, I think, facelift. So it was not a plug and play setup. A lot of people undo the lights. It's snowing, Kentucky weather. They undo the lights at the lighthouse in itself and repin it. What I did was just repin the actual plug that goes into the headlight, the OEM. You know, you move 2 wires around and the other 2 can go anywhere because there are only 3 wires that power the headlights. Go figure. Don't know why they got so many wires ran to the plug. But anyway, you swap them around. I might go into a detailed video later on when I mess with these headlights again. But it was simple. So if I ever want to go back to these, I don't have to. I just unplug them and put another one in, direct replacement projectors. And that's a whole lot simpler than getting a headlight and having to, every time you put one in, if you need it, which you shouldn't need it often, repinning it. Maybe you forget. I think it's pretty simple. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like, leave a comment. Check the eBay store out. I'll give you another update in a few days, you know, shop update. It's looking better. Matt and Amy will be down here soon and we'll be making all videos together. Matt can teach us how to run his engine business because I don't know what I'm doing. You know, you want your motor tuck buddy over? It might be more than 30. Gotta figure out how to run this. It should be simple when you got somebody hands-on with you teaching. And I try to make videos, and maybe for people who's trying to learn how to use these old machines, and videos help out. We'll see in the future, one day at a time. Thanks again for watching.